All right, English 12. You have an interim assessment number 1 today. We are going to be using USA Test Prep. I sent an email out Monday night. I think it was actually addressed to your parents, but it came to your email that had all of your login information for USA Test Prep. So just a heads up, you're going to need that information, so I'm going to talk a little slower. So if you need to be opening up your email and finding that, you can do that right now. This week, it's not necessarily crazy. You're a much slower paced week than my English 10 this week. We didn't have anything due on Monday. However, the Unit 3 Lesson 1, I went ahead and reassigned that for Monday so you'd actually go through it again. I'm going to be doing a video and showing it during my small group today from 2:30 to 3. To answer any questions you have, please know it's essentially assigning the research paper, but it's just saying, what is a research paper? What goes into it? What makes a good research paper? Here's an example. Here's the rubric, okay? But we'll be tackling the research paper over 3 different units, so please do not freak out. This unit is just kind of solidifying your topic, okay? But today and yesterday, we are just focusing on the interim assessment number 1 for the USA Test Prep. And for the most part, I always do these assignments and they're due by Sunday, right? The interim assessments need to be completed by today, okay? If anybody is in this group, you must take it, and you will not be getting extra credit for it. So today is the extra credit, okay? Make sure you take it. How do you log in? Okay, you're going to go to usatestprep.com and click login. You're going to enter the account ID. This will be school specific, and ours is ISIN94. Okay, you'll enter your username, which is just your student ID. This information was in the email per person. And then you'll enter your password, which is your first name followed by the last 3 digits of your ID. All right. If there's a huge issue with this, I am in the Class Connect right now, okay? Just raise your hand. I can hear that go off a lot faster. If you don't have your information, I have access to it and I can send it to you, okay? When you get logged in, this is what a student view will look like, all right? You are going to click Take Benchmark Test. You can come back later and change your picture or emojicon, but I am the only class you should be using Test Prep for. USA Test Prep. You're going to take the benchmark test. There's only one option for you to take it. It is not graded on right and wrong. It's just completion. Now, the big reason we do this is because some of you don't do your work. It's life, right? But I still have to be able to measure your understanding of things we've covered already. So these tests pull from standards we should have already covered in class, and it tells me if you understand things or not, okay? So if you're not doing your work because you're just busy and that's life and that's why you're an insight and we totally understand, this still tells me you're learning. And it takes all of, 20 minutes, if that. So this is kind of my way to gauge your learning, and we'll do this another time mid-quarter next a couple weeks. And again, it's just to make sure you're learning, because if you're not completing your work and you have an F, that doesn't mean you don't understand the material, it just means you're behind on work. So do that now. I am still in the Class Connect. I'm here. I'm listening. Raise your hand if you have a question, and I will tackle it then. See you guys in a little bit.